Welcome to Artwork, Art Home, Art Stories, and Art Education. In this video, I am providing explanation about the painters and paintings. Today we will talk about Francisco Pradilla artist. He was a renowned Spanish painter, acclaimed for his historical and genre scenes. He emerged as a significant figure in Spanish art during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. His works are characterized by their meticulous attention to detail, dramatic composition, and vibrant use of color, reflecting the romanticism and realism that defined the period. Pradilla began his formal artistic training at the Real Academia de Bellas Arts de San Luis. Later, he moved to Madrid to continue his studies at the Real Academia de Bellas Arts de San Fernando. His time in Madrid was circle in shaping his artistic style, exposing him to the work of Spanish masters like Diego and Francisco Goya. The influence of these masters is evident in Pradilla later works, which often showcase a blend of dramatic lighting and emotional depth. In 1873, Pradilla received a scholarship to study in Rome, a turning point in his career. During his time in Italy, he immersed himself in the study of Renaissance art, which profoundly influenced his approach to paintings. He also traveled extensively throughout Italy, observing various artistic styles and techniques. His Italian sojourn culminated in the creation of Donna Giovanna La Loca, 1877, a masterpiece that won him the gold medal at the National Exhibition of Fine Arts in Madrid in 1878. The painting depicting the tragic figure of Queen Joanna of Castile is celebrated for his emotional intensity and meticulous attention to historical detail. Following the success of Donna Gianna Locca, Paradilla's reputation soared. He was appointed director of the Spanish Academy in Rome in 1881, a position he held until 1896. During his tenure, he continued to produce significant work, including La Rendición de Granada, 1882, which portrays the surrenders of the city of Granada to the Catholic. This painting is another testament to Paradilla's skills in capturing historical moments which are dramatic and poignant touch. Paradilla's overview is not limited to historical scenes. He also excellent excelled in genre painting, capturing everyday life with a keen eye for detail and a deep sense of empathy. His work often featured rural landscapes, presents the scenes of traditional Spanish life, rendered with a vibrant plate and a realist touch. These genre paintings provide a valuable glimpse into the social and cultural fabric to span during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. In addition to his achievement as a painter, Prodilas played a significant role in the Spanish art world as an educator and administrator. His tenure as the director of the Prado Museum from 1896 to 1898 further solidified his influence. During his period, he worked to preserve and promote Spanish art, ensuring that the works of the old masters were accessible to the future generation.